Welcome back to Kodemine. So the next topic is how to insert a checkbox and how we can use them. For example, we need to create a form where we have an option to select multiple languages, right? For example, we have a English, we have a Spanish, we have a Hindi, we have a Punjabi, right? And we want to insert a checkbox which will allow us to select language which we know. How can we do that? Just go into the insert section. Let me, yeah, just go into the insert section and click on checkbox, right? So we can know that now we can see here whatever the language we know. For example, I know English, Hindi, and Punjabi, right? So this is how we can use checkboxing. And what is the use case? If you double click on that, it means it's true. If it's not checked, it means its value is false. So this is a very good example that how can we use checkboxes into our Google Sheet, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep practicing. If you guys have any query, any question regarding any topic of Google Sheets, please do comment into the comment sections, and please share, subscribe our channel and share with your friend as well. Thanks for watching.